Relax in Shavasana. We are going to practice one of the best relaxation technique in the world of psychology, psychiatry, mindfulness, counseling, paramedical world. More than 85% of psychologists, psychiatrists throughout the world use this technique. Name of the technique is JPMR, Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. Jacobson was a Canadian physician, was a doctor, very much interested in yoga. He designed a technique based on the biorhythm, not on Om, not on any god, not on anything else, no external aspects, but only the biorhythm of your muscles. So loosening or relaxing certain group of muscles as a part of the biorhythm training, remaining parts of the muscles also will get relaxed. Technique involved is 5 seconds of tightening certain group of muscles and then followed by relaxation. Get ready mentally for practicing Jacobson's Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique, also called as Neuromuscular Relaxation Technique. The ambient music at the background is making you feel more relaxed. Gently get ready. Both hands by the side of your body, by the side of your thighs. Make a fist of your hand. Tighten your forearm as tight as possible. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Feel the relaxation around the forearm muscles. I'm using this counts only during contraction. Relaxation, I'll use it as a silence. Feel it. Shift over to the next group of muscles, biceps. Make your biceps tight as possible, as if you're showing your arm strength to your opponent. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Feel the relaxation around the bicep muscles. Slowly shift over towards your shoulders, keeping your elbows straight, bringing your shoulders towards your ear. Raise your shoulders towards your ear. In between, you want to see the technique, you can look at me. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very slowly, shift your attention to your forehead. Raise your eyebrows up. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Feel the relaxation around your eyeballs. Forehead. Slowly shift your attention towards your jaw. Open your mouth as wide as you can. Ah. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Feel the relaxation around the temporomandibular joint, the jaw joint. Slowly shift your awareness towards your mouth. Make your mouth in the form of O. Stretch those lip muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very good. Slowly shift your attention towards your tongue. Roll your tongue upwards within the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. can shift your awareness towards your eyes. You forgot, no problem. Squeeze your eyeballs as tight as you can. Feel the congestion around your eyeballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Slowly shift your awareness towards your neck. Pull your neck muscles up or extend your head backwards. Feel the stretch of your neck muscles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very slowly shift your awareness towards your chest. Take one deep breath in. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Feel the relaxation around your chest, lungs. Again, slowly keep your both hands onto the tummy. Press your abdominal muscles and make the abdominal muscles tight. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Both hands by the side. Slowly shift your awareness towards your buttocks and quadriceps, thighs. Squeeze your buttocks, make the thigh muscles tight as possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Very slowly and gently towards the last part. Below knee till the tip of your toes. Make your toes pointing downwards. Contract your calf muscles. Pull up your kneecap. Point your toes downwards. Hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax completely. All of your efforts are done. Just relax right now. From the back of your mind, put your awareness onto your toes. Think that my toes are relaxed. Slowly, you're moving the wave of relaxation upwards. Feel that your ankles are relaxed. This beautiful wave of relaxation of skeletal muscles part by part, it is happening quickly, completely, deeply. Shift your awareness onto your calf muscles, kneecap. Feel at the back of your mind, without moving your leg also. Feel, be aware that my calf muscles and kneecap are relaxed. Slowly shift your awareness towards your thighs and buttocks. Relax your thighs. Release your buttocks. Any congestion in your lower back will be released. You totally feel relaxed below your waist. Slowly shift your awareness towards your abdomen. Your abdomen is getting completely relaxed. Abdominal muscles, all the internal organs of your abdomen, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, spleen, pancreas, kidneys, adrenals, reproductive system, ureter, urinary bladder, every part of your internal organs are at its optimal function, relaxing and recovering if at all any issues in the stomach, liver and other parts of the body. Slowly shift your awareness towards your chest. Feel how relaxed you are right now. Beautiful coordination of your lungs and the heart, just like how you coordinate yourself in this organization. You work in sync with each other, in coordination with each other to make it smooth functioning. Productivity will increase. Just like that, your lungs getting required amount of oxygen to all the cells of your body, and heart pumping the blood to reach this oxygen and glucose to each and every part of your body and take out metabolic wastes from different parts of the body back to the heart. Silently functioning so well. Very slowly shift your awareness towards your shoulders, deltoid, arm, forearm, wrist, fingers, fingertips. Your entire upper extremity is relaxed. Your shoulders are relaxed. Slowly shift your awareness onto your neck. Your neck muscles are deeply relaxed. Facial muscles are relaxed. Your number of thoughts at the back of your mind are reduced. Body is going for deep psychic relaxation phase. In this point in time, you can put some signal deep down into the subconscious mind or your inner mind. Choose one small positive affirmation, small sankalpa, or an auto suggestion for yourself. I am going to work on my anxiety, tensions. I am going to work on my weight. I am going to work on my diabetes. Anything related to you, your body, your mind, or your career. Take the sankalpa and say the sankalpa at the back of your mind 3 times. The profound effect of the sankalpa is going to happen in your subconscious mind. It is like a new seed of the thought. This is going to bear fruit, and you are going to balance your mind, body, and spirit. With this affirmation, very slowly and gently, you are coming back to body consciousness. Take one deep breath in. Exhale completely. Wonderful. You're getting completely alert and awake at the back of your closed eyes. Getting ready to go back. Gently move your toes a bit. Move your fingertips. Very good. I can make out most of you are alert and awake. Take your both hands up. Stretch it as if you're coming out of sleep. You're waking up. Fold at your left leg. Take your right hand on the top of your head. Turn towards right side of your body. Taking support of both the palms. Keeping your eyes closed. Very slowly and gently come to sitting posture. Maintain silence for about 30 seconds. There's something beautiful happen to your body mind complex. Adopt Namaskar Mudra. Rub your hands towards each other. Massage onto your forehead, eyeballs, cheek, chin, front of your ear, back of your ear, neck muscles. Rub your hands towards each other one more time. Massage onto your abdomen, low back, knees also. We worked out today. Very slowly and gently. Open your eyes to the new world of relaxed awareness. You can choose to drift into sleep or take your time to get back to the normal self.